हाय गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। दही वड़े तो सब बनाते हैं बट ट्राई टू मेक द वंस आई एम मेकिंग। दे आर स्लाइटली डिफरेंट एंड एब्सोल्युटली डिलीशियस. So let us begin with the procedure. To make dahi vadas, take 2 katoris of urad ki dal, the dhuli hui urad ki dal, and soak it for 2 to 3 hours. And to add to it, while grinding, I have chopped some coriander leaves, ginger, a big piece, and 1 onion. Drain out the water after 3 hours and then put it in the mixer jar. Now add the ginger that I have chopped. मोटा मोटा भी काटेंगे तो चलेगा because it's going to grind in the mixer. And 1 onion which I have chopped. You can add green chilies also, but I am not adding because in my house nobody eats green chilies. So only when I have to eat I add, or if there is a guest. Today I am making for the family, so I am not adding, but you can add 2 to 3. Then add some coriander leaves. And now grind this to fine paste without adding any water. Jeera, roasted jeera, and dhania powder 1 teaspoon, and hing, little hing. Now take a thick bottom kadahi and add oil to it, and then when it becomes warm start making the frying the vadas so that some air gets into it. That will make them fluffy and soft. And lift small balls. You can wet your fingers if you want and put them into the oil. Put them into water. I have placed a bowl with water here and I am going to soak them in water. Remove them. First drain out all the oil, then remove them in the water. Let them remain soaked in water until the next lot is ready. I have put in the next lot. They are frying on medium flame. Keep on turning them. Once one side you feel is done, then keep on turning them. Take a broad bowl and squeeze out the vadas from the water and place them here. You can change the water if you want or keep the same water for the next lot of vadas. Now sprinkle some chaat masala on the vadas, and then let us get the curds ready, which we are going to pour over the vadas. This is homemade curd. Take 1 liter of curds. Thick, if it is thick, then add some water and mix it up with the rai, mixer or rai. The amount of curds you use depends on the dahi vadas that you have made. If you have made just 10 to 12 dahi vadas, then half a liter is more than enough, or even 250 grams is more than enough. And you have to add some water and dilute it and mix it up. Add some salt, around half a teaspoon, and a little bit of rock salt also. Otherwise it will become too salty. See accordingly, add salt. And then mix it up. The rock salt gives it a nice chatpata taste. Now add the curds to the vadas. Let them soak in properly. Take little oil, add some curry patta and half a teaspoon of rai to it, and let it heat up nicely. You can add some akhi red chili also if you want. Now put off the gas and add it to the dahi vada. Now you can add some roasted jeera. Roast some jeera, akha jeera, and then powder it and sprinkle it on the dahi vadas. Add some chopped coriander leaves and cover it and put it in the fridge. Chilled dahi vadas taste very good. You can add some more curds to this to give it a nice thick flowing consistency. I've added some chopped coriander leaves which I have washed and chopped fine. And now I'm going to cover this and keep it in the refrigerator. Now if you want to serve to somebody, take a bowl, add 2 to 3 dahi vadas to it. Then you add some red chili flakes in case they like green chilies. Then you add jeera powder, little bit of chaat masala, thoda sa dhania powder, green coriander leaves for garnishing, and imli ki chutney which you will make out of gur and imli. Top it with that to give it a chatpata taste. So my very tasty delicious dahi vadas are ready. चटपटा चटकोरे लोगों को बहुत पसंद आएगा. Enjoy them with lunch or as they are. You can keep on eating the whole day. That's what my family does. They keep on eating two whenever they feel hungry or they get that taste in their taste buds. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day. Do see my video till the end. Like, subscribe and comment to my video. And do not forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Thanks a lot. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can give you notifications whenever I make a new video. My recipes are all very daily recipes which are very simple, easy to make, and they are extremely delicious because they retain the original taste of the vegetable or the dals. Thanks a lot.